bantamweight contest. Panyasai on the left of your screen.
So fuck tea on the top. The bigger man and me on the top. Low, that's can you my low dollar see on the top. My soul gun, let them get this soda and go be on the top. Yamasa, David didn't shy in cha. Yamasa, David didn't shy in cha. Yamasa, David didn't shy in cha. Nay, dead or like you man need a famaja. They are not good thing. I got my go soga la di quello della Wamiaja. Bring the go ma. I rep the guy at the dinner tree on Timashino Bobby Daja. Since I have Quello Taha. Nalo let's go on Chacha hip hop. Break them Yava. Bobby the Mala. No tapo. Oh no, she looks so like a Buddha. Chick and Wacha. Mingago Soga again. Mibuago, maybe and Sinzaba on Alagago. I'm a teen, I'm me, I'm not swimming, not the getting it, I'm not seeing it. Mingago, and I would thought I never got beat it. She never cared at how to go manga flash, you say. Last in there, me made and me pego, more on it, Conga, my people. You young, I'm home, it told you, not out there, truck it. Look on them, the time, and I got a meter, got it. We mother now, we're going to die, I need a mimic shut there. No material now, the Jim and Sunday. Total so fuck tea on the top. The bigger man and be on the top. No, Pierre, and the jingle, Malalo, see on the top. My soul gone, that don't get that disorder, I go be on the top. Yamasa, David didn't shy in Pianta. Yamasa, David didn't shy in Pianta. Yamasa, David didn't shy in Pianta. Nay, is dead or like you man need a famaja. We look on the office, but must stay that in the yellow honja. Bego Shonda, Mizada to make a maybe shada. I don't want that sign there, maybe Twego Soma. Mingo Chiva Givo Gona. Chin never knew got I want to be my PMG. So got a Yanni, Roma, and Nini, Marijuana, go them yet with some shouting Dogo. Bojaga, Joma, Nija, do the DC. Alogila, Minoga, fake on the Boja Mugo, Tello, Yipia, Bonega, Togo, Relation, I'm a Tello Switch. No be a maga, Silver, to be head of Polumia, Tello, Twitter. Ego Zaya, Justice City, Mother, she is that. Yellow Tayo, Mari, Daga, need a car. Viva Swim, you never get Jingo Tea on Anna, see the qua. Baba Beavis, so fuck tea on the top. The bigger man and be on the top. No, Pierre, and the Jingo, Malalo, see on the top. My soul gone, that don't get that disorder, I go be on the top. Yamasa, David didn't shy in Pianta. Yamasa, David didn't shy in Pianta. Yamasa, David didn't shy in Pianta. Nay, dead or like you man need a famaja. My soul gone,
Certainly is moving.
my soul gone, that don't get that
In the ring off. And finally they
I
get
told to tea on the top, tea on the top, and I go tea on the top.
Has that headlock takedown.
David didn't shy in Pianta.
Let's see what Hajakulov can do. Spin arounds. Sai's got to keep moving. He can't allow that leg to get trapped and allow.
That's it. He's got to switch his hips around, Mitch, as you're saying, to the back there. Stay behind Hajakulov, essentially. Do not allow Hajakulov to face him.
Good scrambling from Hajakulov to end up on top. Sai was very close to securing the back, but Hajakulov just kept going.
Oh, he still doesn't have control yet, though. He's got to get that arm across in order to get control.
Sai's got good scrambling.
What athletic ability by both of these gentlemen.
Good job by Sai to get back up to his feet, but Hajakulov puts him right back down.
And as Hodjakulov's short sort of rode up there for a second, you saw some welts on his thighs, taking some kicks.
You guys, this is a pretty, because look at that angle there. This is what I'm talking about. See how the foot is underneath and across? It's allowing Sai to constantly keep the correct angle and to keep Hajakulov's head buried.
Sai does train with a lot of BJJ black belts out there at Bali MMA. So he's got a lot of good groundwork. He works with the Suba brothers. He works with Muhammad Ayman. He's got a lot of crafty athletes to train with out there at Bali MMA.
But there might be a mark there around Hodjakulov's forehead.
He keeps going after that guillotine. Hajakulov might take him for a ride here once he gets both hands locked.
Oh, big one.
Good prediction, Mitch.
Yeah, once those wrestlers get those hands locked, you know all about this. It's hard to stop that takedown once they lock those hands.
You're absolutely right. But I will say all of this offensive wrestling by Hajakulov is absolutely exhausting. It is much more tiring to be offensive and picking someone up and throwing